Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word endorse. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The athlete was thrilled to have Nike endorse her, as it was a dream come true. Endorse means to support, approve, or promote a person, product, or idea, often publicly, by giving one's approval or recommendation. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.